Yo guys, what's up? It's Ricky from Dance's Dope, and today we're doing an intermediate advanced house routine. Now, this one's challenging. The track is crazy. It's got a whole lot going on. We're hitting different instruments and different beats in the track, so this one will be a challenge for some of you, but that's good. Challenge yourself, keep learning, get onto it. Now, you might have to rewind it a couple of times. That is totally fine if you have to do that. Luckily, on video, you can do that. I'm going to teach this one in 2 parts. So it's a 4-part routine. I'm going to teach 2 counts of 8 in this one. And if you're watching this video like a week after the upload, part 2 will be linked in the description so you can jump straight onto that one too, yeah? Apart from that, let's get straight into this one. So we're going to start it out with a skate. So what you're going to do is you're going to jump out like this. So left foot should be back, right foot should be in front. And the skate looks like this. So you're just switching that skate. So from here, left foot back, right foot in front. You're going to drop down. You're going to rise up. Now you don't want your feet to fully come off the floor. You want them to skate round to switch your stance so you're on the other diagonal. So you're going to drop, switch, skate, and you drop straight into it as you land, and you're skating back to the other side. Yeah? So it goes 5, 6, 7, 8. Out. 1, skate 2, skate 3. So you want to skate, skate. Yeah? All you're doing is you want to pivot from your hips. You want to keep your feet kind of the same length apart that they are here. You just want them to travel that way and travel back. Yeah? So you skate, skate. And you're going to hit a part of break variation. So you're coming behind, left foot behind, right foot out, left foot in front. You're going to tap right foot on its toe, tap right foot on its heel, tap right foot on its toe, and then jump it out. And your timing of that is 1, 2, 3, toe, heel, in, out. And you want to drop down, get that bounce, get that jack on the out, yeah? I'm going to teach this one nice and quick, so it's intermediate advanced. If you're a beginner on this video, props to you, learning, upgrading, but you might need to rewind it back a couple, yeah, because I'm going fast. So, top 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, toe, heel, in, out. From here, you're going to do a skate. So all you're doing is kicking right foot out, kicking left foot out, skating on right foot. So you're going to kick this one's going to skate, and then you're going to hop switch, yeah? So you're kicking this foot out, hopping onto it as this comes behind. All you're doing now is drag this before you hop onto your one. So you kick, skate, yeah? Nice. So from the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, toe, heel, in, out, skate, skate. Yeah, so you're hopping up as you skate, hop onto it, hop it up as you skate, hop onto it. One more. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, toe, heel, in, out, skate, skate. Yeah? On the beat, there's a saxophone. We're hitting pretty much all the crazy beats on that, so it'll be a lot easier with the beat for timing, yeah? One more, then we'll keep going. So we got 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Toe, heel, in, out, skate, skate. From here, you're doing a gallop. So you're hopping left foot, step right foot. Hop on left foot. Now you're going to cut the end off that gallop, hit a toe tap with your right foot. Yeah? So just that move again. So you hop left, step right, hop left, tap right. And your timing of that is hop, step, hop, tap. And you're going to kick that right foot out. You're going to hop on that right foot as you skate left. Hop on that left foot as you skate. So you want to, this should come pretty much so you're facing the back. You're going to hop on that left foot as you skate right. And you're going to do a full turn. So you hop, skate, turn, and then jump it out. Yeah? Nice. So let's just try that last move. So we've done gallop. So we've done hop left, step right, hop right, tap left, kick, no. I'll rerun that. Hop left, step right, hop left, tap right, kick right out, skate, switch skate, turn, jump out. So when you turn, you want to bring them both in, get that turn, and then pop it out, yeah? That's the 2 counts of 8. So let's clean that up, let's go slow, let's go a bit quicker, and then we'll smash that one out with the beat. As I said, we're cutting it into 2 parts, so there'll be a part 2 to this routine you can learn, yeah? So from the top, nice and slow. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, toe, heel, in, out, skate, skate, hop, step, hop, tap, kick, skate, skate, turn, out. Nice. Let's go a little bit quicker, and then we'll go with the beat, yeah? A little bit 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Toe, heel, and up, skate, skate. Hop, step, hop, tap, kick, skate, skate, turn, up. Nice. Okay. As I said, if you're struggling with any of that, rewind it back, go through that again. But let's go with the beat 3 times, yeah? Let's go. Okay, this one is super quick, so if you want to watch the first one, you can. We're going to go 3 times, yeah? I'll count us in. 3 good times. Make it big. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done. If you did enjoy this routine, be sure to hit that like button, smash the subscribe button to support the channel, and hit that bell notification button so you can keep up to date with the uploads and stay tuned for part 2. If you guys did enjoy this one, if there's anything else you want to see that I'm not doing or something that you particularly enjoyed, leave a comment down below. I do like to reply to all you guys. I like chatting with the community, chatting with the Dancers Dog family, yeah? Apart from that, check out links in the description. I've got playlists for different move tutorials, routine tutorials, in-house, breaking, light feet. So a lot going on, yeah? Thank you guys, all of you guys who support the channel. Thank you for those of you who watch every video. I do appreciate you guys. Well done. I'll catch you in the next one.